How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Living that dream.
Some people want to get rid of it. Yeah, it's like, oh, I'll give you $50 for it. It's just sitting in your shed. Why not even know you had it? Yeah, it's buried up on a shelf. And they're like, they're always saying,
actually buried in the ground. Some of this stuff.
They're always saying like, oh yeah, they're collectors. No, they're whores. Yeah, they're not collectors. Like, call it what it is. American pictures. Nice guys. Gotta fill that thing out in the car.
Is that what he's doing now?
No, he used to work. You're out hiking today?
No, not today, man. It's too hot.
I didn't see your car. I'm like, man, it's hot. You got
No. It's up there, yeah.
Oh, you got the pack on. I'm like, damn, it's hot out.
Yeah, you imagine? You imagine? Yeah, just hitting the garage sales, going on a nice hike. Takes me about 3 hours to get from each one, but, you know, that'd be interesting. It's always something, isn't it?
Yep.
Oh, okay. I just
dropped it off. I told her if she's got anything she wants to sell, bring it on over.
I just saw the Pokemon things. You mind if I take a look?
No, go ahead. What's up, Lacey? You little sneak. You got out while I was setting up.
You scratching that tree?
Oh, it's better than our furniture. Maybe I should let you out more often.
Yeah.
Good girl.
How much do you think you went for these things?
To be honest with you, I don't know what they're worth.
Your guess is as good as mine.
Yeah. I think you probably wind up with a good deal, but make me an offer.
Give you $1 a piece? $4?
That's all they're worth?
I have no idea.
Alright. Yeah, I didn't get a chance to go through any of that.
Well, it's up to you. You can think on it, and I'll keep looking and decide what you want to do.
Yeah, because they're not mine. Like I said, she just dropped them what she went to get. Because I told her, I said, I have no more table space. So she said, I'll go get a table and come back.
Gotcha.
They're not labeled because I know she had a garage sale last year. I see how some of this stuff's labeled.
Yeah, I didn't see anything on them.
Nothing on them.
I mean, if you want to give her a call too and ask her.
Yeah, I know she'll be right back.
Oh, okay.
Let's see what these are. Not a kitchen ball. I don't even know if my girlfriend knows these are here. Let me call her.
Yeah, she might not even want to sell them.
Who knows? They're probably her brothers.
Gotcha.
Oh, there's stuff inside.
Okay. I'll keep on looking.
Yeah. Nah, she's saying hang on to them. She didn't even know they were here.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's fine. No worries.
Like I said, I got to go through this box still.
Gotcha.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Well, thank you for letting me look. Take care. Good luck with the rest of the day.
Hello.
How are you?
Hello. Hiding in the shade.
It's definitely necessary for today. All right, I think I'm gonna take your Mickey
okay,
flags
cool.
and the baseball bat as well.
We'll just make it 10 for all.
Perfect, thank you. I'm just gonna set this down so I can get my money. There you go.
Wonderful. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of the day.
You too.
Good
Say
luck
hi
to
to
you.
them.
Yeah, I'm gonna try.
I'm gonna hide back in the shade.
I think a half a bottle of water has come out of my forehead since I've been here.
I'm on my third shirt.
Yeah, oh man, I'm gonna go home and change right now. Take care. So I didn't really get to go to too many garage sales today just because the area I went to is really spaced out, and it was a Friday too, so there's typically less that are hosted on Friday. But tomorrow I'm gonna go out to the sales. There's one in particular where it's $2 and you can fill up a bag with anything, so I'm gonna try and get there early, and I should have some footage from that as well. This is the first clip of the day that I screwed up and had in time-lapse mode, but I did buy these Keen shoes for $6, and hopefully I'll have a pretty decent return on those. But I came home early and I did a lot of picture taking, and I'm going to do some listing today, so there'll be more tomorrow. I'll see you guys then. Hopefully you found some good stuff. Talk to you later.